I'd like to go over what the Control Center is on the iPad. When you are in the Settings app, the Control Center selection is over here on the left. Here you're given a couple of options. I like to have this option turned on. This allows you to use the Control Center when you're within an app. Here is if you would like to customize the controls that are available within the Control Center. If you tap on that, these are the controls that are currently in the Control Center, and if you scroll down, here are all different controls that could be added into the Control Center. Particularly, I feel that a helpful control in the Control Center is the timer, the camera, and screen recording. To access your Control Center, you pull down from the upper right corner, and you can see the controls that are available within the Control Center down here at the bottom. Another way to access your Control Center is from this assistive touch icon, which can be accessed then here. To know how to use assistive touch, you can look at the other video about how to use assistive touch in the Teacher Resources playlist in the K-3 Learning Commons as well.